Hi everyone, we're here at the International Culinary Arts Academy Cebu, and my name is Jeremy. I'm one of the chefs here. So since the start of the pandemic, we were not allowed to hold face-to-face classes, so it gave me a lot of time to go back to what I love doing, which is baking artisan breads. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite recipes. It's a pan mish sourdough using Vesmach equipments. So we're here right now with one of my favorite equipments, the Vesmach MP102 spiral mixer. It has a 3 to 6 kilogram flour capacity, and we purchased this last year because as soon as people here in Cebu started learning or finding out I started making sourdough bread, then we had a lot of orders for sourdough bread, and this machine allows me to make a lot of batches at one time. So we mix the dough with the water, flour, and the sourdough starter culture, which we call the leaven. And we mixed it for 3 minutes, and then we let it autolyse for 1 hour. And now we're gonna start it back again and add the salt. So what I like about this mixer is that it has an emergency stop, as well as a safety precaution that when you open the grill, the machine automatically stops as well. We used to make our bread using the 5-quart mixer, which is over there, but since our orders have quadrupled or even more, so that's why we had to purchase this machine, and it has helped a lot in our production. So now, after 7 minutes of mixing, we're going to test for gluten strength, and as you can see, we've already achieved gluten elasticity. So the mixer is very, very efficient, and also kneads the dough very fast to where we want to have it. At this point in the process, we're just going to add a little bit of cold water to do what we call bassinage, which is a French technique, and put it on high speed. And that is just going to slap the dough all over around the bowl. We're just going to do that for the final minute. So here's our dough now. And it has a perfect final dough temperature of 24 degrees Celsius. And it's now going to sleep inside our refrigerator for bulk fermentation for about 16 to 18 hours. And tomorrow we're gonna shape the dough, and we like to use these Teflon coated loaf pans, also from JCG or Vesmach. The reason why we shape our sourdough into loaves is because most of our clients or customers prefer a loaf-shaped sourdough because it's easier to make into sandwiches. So again, this is the Vesmach MP102 spiral mixer, and we've been using this for almost a year already, and we've never had any problems with it. We're very happy with Vesmach equipments. Hi everyone, this is Chef Jeremy, and we're here at the Academy again. So we just baked our sourdough, and it's just about to come out of the oven. So the sourdough has come out, and you'll see how easy it will be to take out of the Teflon coated loaf pans from Vesmach. So as you can see, it was very easy for us to remove the loaf bread from the Teflon coated loaf pans. And here are freshly baked sourdough loaves. So we also made some baguette, or traditional French baguette, which is a French bread, using also the sourdough, and we let it ferment overnight as well. So now we're just scoring the baguette. And now we're gonna put our baguettes inside the oven. Apply steam. And we bake for 18. We bake for 18 to 19 minutes, 240 degrees Celsius. So our baguette's just about to come out of the oven. So we finished baking. So this is our 3-deck oven from Vesmach. We've been using it for about 10 years already, and it's very, very reliable and bakes very, very evenly. Thank you.